Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make pool and spa maintenance a breeze. Introducing the Scumbug oil-absorbing sponge, touted as the best scum sponge available in the market. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Scumbug is designed by Rola Chem and is crafted to tackle the tough job of absorbing scum, oils, slime, and grime from your pool or spa water. It boasts 300% more surface area compared to traditional balls and is engineered not to clog in water lines, ensuring consistent performance. Made from durable sponge material, the Scumbug is built to last. It comes in a convenient pack of 2, offering great value for money. Each sponge measures 8 inches in length, width, and thickness, providing ample surface area for efficient cleaning. What sets the Scumbug apart is its ability to effortlessly soak up oils and scum floating on the water surface. Simply squeeze it out, clean, and reuse, making it not only effective but also economical. It's a game changer for anyone tired of dealing with unsightly scum lines in their pool or spa. Users have rated it highly for ease of use and excellent absorbency. Whether you're dealing with sunscreen oils, body oils, or other residues, the Scumbug gets the job done without hassle. Its sturdiness and durability ensure it holds up well to repeated use, making it a reliable companion in your pool maintenance toolkit. To wrap it up, if you're searching for a reliable solution to combat scum, slime, and grime in your pool or spa, look no further than the Scumbug oil-absorbing sponge. Its performance, durability, and ease of use make it a standout choice. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and updates. Until next time, happy swimming!